Here's something I learned a long time ago. The best way to overcome fear is to take action. Fear thrives on inaction. The longer you sit and stew in your fear, the bigger it becomes. But when you take action, even a small step, you break the grip that fear has on you. You start to see that fear is just an illusion, a creation of your mind. And the more action you take, the less power fear has over you. Now here's another important part of controlling your mind. Focus. What you focus on expands. If you focus on problems, you'll find more problems. If you focus on solutions, you'll find more solutions. If you focus on lack, you'll experience more lack. But if you focus on abundance, you'll start to see abundance everywhere. The mind is like a magnifying glass. Whatever you focus it on becomes larger in your experience. So, where is your focus? Are you focusing on what you want, or are you focusing on what you don't want? Are you focusing on the possibilities, or are you focusing on the obstacles? You have the power to direct your focus. You get to decide what you're going to give your attention to. And I'm telling you, your attention is one of the most valuable resources you have. Don't waste it on things that don't serve you. Don't waste it on negativity, on distractions, on things that pull you away from your goals. Be intentional with your focus. Choose to focus on the things that move you closer to where you want to be. And here's another thing about focus. It's not just about what you think. It's about how long you think it. You can have a positive thought, but if you only think it for a moment and then go back to your old patterns of thinking, it won't make much of a difference. You've got to sustain your focus. You've got to keep your mind fixed on what you want, even when distractions try to pull you away. Now, I know what you're thinking. Jim, that sounds good, but it's easier said than done. And you're right. It is easier said than done. But here's the good news. You can get better at it with practice. Just like anything else, controlling your mind takes practice.